How to install more Steam games. So if you want to install mods to your Steam games, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Steam application. Once you've logged into your account, down here on the upper left, you will have library option. Simply click on the library and under your library, and here you will have the search right on the left. So under your search, you need to simply go to the filters, and under filters, you need to go for the features and then go for workshop. So you need to filter your features through the workshop. So here you will have all of the games or tools that support the mod. So it doesn't matter if it's the installed games or the existing games. So if you filter that, if you have any games or applications right here, then it means that it will support the mod. So here I only have the tool, but I don't have any games installed that support the mod. So if you have the games, what you need to do is simply go for the game, click on the game. So if you simply choose any one of the games, for example, I choose the existing game, right? So if you choose any one of your games, then you will have all of these options, right? So you need to simply go for the workshop option. This will bring you to the mods for that specific game. So if you scroll down, here you will have all of the mods. So you can simply filter that by most popular, most subscribed, most playtime, or the most recent. You can simply choose any one of the applications and then you can install. So, for example, if I choose this game, once you click on the game, now it will take you to the game. If you scroll down here, you will have the install option. So under the subscribe option or instead of the subscribe option, you may have an install option and then you can install it. So this is how you can download or install the mods to Steam games. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.